Artificial intelligence, AI, a comprehensive overview. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly advancing field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems aim to simulate human cognitive functions such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and decision-making. The history of AI dates back to the 1950s when researchers began exploring the concept of creating machines that could think and act like humans. Over the decades, AI has evolved significantly. Driven by breakthroughs in algorithms, computing power, data availability, and interdisciplinary collaborations. One of the key components of AI is machine learning, a subset that enables machines to learn from data without explicit programming. Machine learning algorithms, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, play a crucial role in training AI systems to recognize patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, has revolutionized AI by enabling systems to learn complex patterns in data using neural networks inspired by the human brain. Deep learning algorithms power applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. Prominent applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized various industries by enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. From healthcare to finance, transportation, and beyond, AI applications have transformed the way we live and work. Let's delve into some of the prominent applications of AI across different sectors. Healthcare. In the healthcare industry, AI is being leveraged for a wide range of applications, including medical imaging analysis, personalized treatment plans, drug discovery, predictive analytics, and patient monitoring. AI-powered systems can help radiologists detect abnormalities in medical images more accurately and efficiently, leading to early diagnosis and improved patient outcomes. Personalized medicine, driven by AI algorithms that analyze genetic data and patient histories, allows for tailored treatment plans based on individual characteristics. Drug discovery processes are being accelerated through AI-driven simulations and modeling, which identify potential drug candidates and optimize treatment strategies. Moreover, AI-powered monitoring systems can track patient health data in real time, alerting healthcare providers to potential issues and enabling proactive interventions. Finance. In the financial sector, AI technologies are used for a variety of applications, including algorithmic trading, fraud detection, risk assessment, customer service, and personalized financial advice. Algorithmic trading systems analyze market data and execute trades at high speeds, leveraging AI algorithms to identify patterns and make data-driven decisions. AI-powered fraud detection systems can detect suspicious activities and anomalies in financial transactions, helping to prevent fraudulent behavior and safeguard financial institutions and their customers. Risk assessment models based on AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to evaluate creditworthiness, assess investment risks, and optimize financial decisions. Customer service chatbots powered by AI provide personalized assistance to customers, enhancing user experience and streamlining support services. Additionally, AI-driven robo-advisors offer tailored financial advice based on individual goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Transportation. In the transportation sector, AI technologies are transforming the way we move goods and people, with applications in autonomous vehicles, traffic management, logistics optimization, and predictive maintenance. Autonomous vehicles, equipped with AI algorithms for navigation, object recognition, and decision-making, have the potential to revolutionize transportation by improving road safety, reducing traffic congestion, and enhancing mobility for individuals with limited mobility. AI-powered traffic management systems analyze real-time data from sensors and cameras to optimize traffic flow, reduce travel times, and minimize congestion. Logistics companies use AI algorithms to optimize delivery routes, manage inventory efficiently, and predict demand patterns, leading to cost savings and improved operational efficiency. Predictive maintenance systems powered by AI analyze sensor data to forecast equipment failures, schedule maintenance proactively, and prevent costly downtime. Marketing and advertising. In the realm of marketing and advertising, AI technologies are reshaping how businesses reach and engage with their target audiences through personalized campaigns, content optimization, customer segmentation, and predictive analytics. AI-driven recommendation engines analyze user preferences and behavior to suggest relevant products, services, and content, enhancing the customer experience and driving sales. Content optimization tools powered by AI algorithms help marketers create and distribute tailored content that resonates with specific audience segments, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Customer segmentation models based on AI clustering algorithms group individuals with similar characteristics and preferences, enabling businesses to target their marketing efforts effectively. Predictive analytics tools leverage AI algorithms to forecast trends, identify opportunities, and optimize marketing strategies, helping businesses make data-driven decisions and achieve their marketing goals. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, a subset of AI, focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. With applications in virtual assistants, sentiment analysis, language translation, and content generation. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use NLP algorithms to process and respond to user queries, perform tasks, and provide information through natural language interactions. Sentiment analysis tools powered by NLP algorithms analyze text data to determine the sentiment and emotions expressed by users in reviews, social media posts, and customer feedback, helping businesses understand customer perceptions and sentiment trends. Language translation services leverage NLP technologies to translate text and speech between different languages, facilitating cross-cultural communication and breaking down language barriers. Content generation algorithms based on NLP principles can automatically produce written content, such as articles, reports, and summaries, saving time and resources for content creators. Robotics. Robotics, combined with AI technologies, has led to advancements in industrial automation, collaborative robots, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and robotic surgeries, enhancing efficiency, precision, and safety in various sectors. Industrial robots equipped with AI algorithms can perform repetitive tasks with high accuracy and speed, improving production processes and reducing human error. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside humans in shared workspaces, leveraging AI capabilities to assist with complex tasks, enhance productivity, and ensure safety. UAVs, or drones, powered by AI algorithms for navigation and object detection, are used for aerial surveillance, mapping, delivery services, and disaster response, providing valuable insights and services in diverse settings. Robotic surgeries, enabled by AI-assisted systems that enhance precision, visualization, and decision-making during surgical procedures, have revolutionized healthcare by improving surgical outcomes and reducing recovery times. Cybersecurity. In the realm of cybersecurity, AI technologies play a crucial role in threat detection, intrusion prevention, anomaly detection, and security analytics. Safeguarding digital assets, networks, and sensitive information from cyber threats. AI-driven cybersecurity solutions analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, anomalies, and suspicious activities that may indicate potential security breaches or cyber attacks. Intrusion prevention systems powered by AI algorithms can detect and block malicious activities in real time, protecting networks and systems from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Anomaly detection tools leverage AI capabilities to detect deviations from normal behavior or patterns, alerting security teams to potential security incidents and vulnerabilities. Security analytics platforms based on AI algorithms provide insights into security incidents, trends, and risks, enabling organizations to strengthen their cybersecurity posture and respond effectively to emerging threats. Environmental monitoring. In environmental monitoring and conservation efforts, AI technologies are used for applications such as wildlife tracking, deforestation detection, climate modeling, and pollution monitoring, supporting biodiversity preservation and sustainable environmental practices. Wildlife tracking systems powered by AI algorithms analyze data from GPS collars, cameras, and sensors to monitor animal movements, behavior, and habitats, aiding conservationists in wildlife management and protection efforts. Deforestation detection tools leverage AI image analysis to detect changes in forest cover, identify illegal logging activities, and track deforestation patterns, supporting forest conservation initiatives. Climate modeling algorithms based on AI techniques simulate complex climate systems, predict weather patterns, and assess the impact of climate change, providing valuable insights for policymakers and researchers. Pollution monitoring systems equipped with AI sensors analyze air and water quality data to detect pollutants, assess environmental risks, and support pollution control measures. Promoting environmental health and sustainability. Education. In the field of education, AI technologies are transforming teaching and learning experiences through personalized learning, adaptive assessments, intelligent tutoring systems, and educational content recommendation. Personalized learning platforms powered by AI algorithms tailor educational materials and activities to individual student needs. Learning styles and preferences, enhancing engagement and knowledge retention. Adaptive assessment tools use AI techniques to analyze student performance, provide real-time feedback, and adjust learning paths based on student progress, enabling educators to identify areas for improvement and support student learning outcomes. Intelligent tutoring systems leverage AI algorithms to simulate one-on-one tutoring interactions, offer personalized guidance, and provide adaptive learning experiences, helping students master challenging concepts and skills. Educational content recommendation engines based on AI analytics suggest relevant resources, courses, and materials to learners, facilitating self-directed learning and knowledge acquisition. Entertainment. In the entertainment industry, AI technologies are reshaping content creation, recommendation engines, gaming experiences, and audience engagement, enhancing entertainment offerings and user experiences. AI-powered content creation tools generate music, art, videos, and stories using algorithms that analyze patterns, styles, and user preferences, expanding creative possibilities and streamlining production processes. Recommendation engines powered by AI algorithms analyze user behavior, preferences, and viewing habits to suggest personalized content, movies, music, and games, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. AI-driven gaming experiences incorporate elements of machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing to create immersive and interactive gameplay, offering players unique challenges and experiences. Audience engagement tools based on AI analytics analyze social media trends, user interactions, and audience feedback to tailor content, campaigns, and experiences, optimizing engagement and building loyal fan communities. In conclusion, artificial intelligence represents a transformative force with the potential to revolutionize industries, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation. However, it also poses challenges that require careful consideration, ethical oversight, and collaboration across disciplines to harness its benefits while mitigating risks. As AI technologies evolve, it is essential to prioritize ethical principles, transparency, and human-centered design to ensure that AI serves society's best interests and contributes to a more sustainable and inclusive future.